Introducing new generative design capabilities, now available in Revit 2021 with the AEC collection. With Revit's generative design capabilities, you can rapidly generate design alternatives based on your goals, constraints, and inputs. Then explore, optimize, and make informed decisions with your team. You'll get started with ready-made studies that you can use to explore and generate design alternatives based on your desired outcomes. Specify your goals, then leverage the power of generative design to create multiple design options. You and your team can explore and evaluate those options against your goals. And if you didn't get it quite right the first time, you can quickly iterate by running the generative design process again, tweaking the inputs and goals to find the best solution possible. These ready-made studies are starting points. You can completely customize these studies and add new ones through Dynamo to help meet your own studio and office-specific standards and challenges. For example, maybe your client wants to expand their building with a new wing. You need to optimize rentable space while minimizing cost. Generative design can help find the best outcome. Then, you can take your design right into Revit for further development. Or maybe you're designing a new office and need to maximize the number of desks but minimize the distance to exits. Generative design can help you quickly create options based on your most important metrics, like desk count and aisle width, so you can find the most desirable solution. And if your client wants tenants to have great window views from inside the office, generative design can help identify the best spot to place furniture. You'll generate viewpoints in various locations, then use the graph to rank designs based on what matters to you most. These studies are completely customizable, and new studies can be added via Dynamo so you can create and discuss design options with your team. With generative design in Revit, you have the power to bring outcome-based decision-making to your design studies. Start using generative design with the AEC collection today.